Namaskar. I must share with you that one of the most difficult things in the world to do is to give an award. I was with a lot of interest reading an article by Shekhar Gupta, who's editor of print now. He used to be with Indian Express earlier. And they used to have these biggest film awards. And he said that they had a big plight because, 24 hours before the awards, people got to know who's getting it or who's not getting it. The list used to leak. And then all kinds of stars used to throw tantrums, including people who were to perform on stage. So at the last moment, even if a star has been paid, let's say several crores to perform at the award function, the star would sit in a vanity van and say, "No, I will not dance till you give me an award." And they had to create something called at the last minute the Popular Choice Award. So in the history of their awards, they had to give a lot of Popular Choice Awards just to appease people. Fortunately, at Scotch, not once in the 25-year history have we ever given a Popular Choice Award. And I think it's a tribute to the hard work of people of India, officers like you. Since you work honestly, we must evaluate you honestly. Dr. Fatak, who's my friend, philosopher, and guide, has once shared with me that one of the most difficult exams in India is IIT entrance exam. He says it is not really a selection process; it's more of a rejection process. Who do we leave out because everyone is so good? Exactly the same with Scotch Award. Fighting the good fight, walking the straight and narrow is never easy. Obviously, it's they say often Lakshmi and Saraswati don't live together. So we are one of the most frugal awards that there is. We are one of the poorer companies. We don't have the glamour and the glitz, but what we do have is a lot of bhavna, a lot of emotion. And that is why getting a Scotch Award is considered a privilege. You may have seen photographs of chief ministers, surrounding by their teams. That some state won 12 awards, some other state won 20 awards. And at their cost, they're tweeting it, advertising it, promoting it. And every state competes with the other state on how many Scotch awards they win. And therefore, what is their state of the governance ranking? Because they know that this is an honest award. It is not influenced by politics, whether you are right, left, or the center. Chief ministers of all political spectrums respect it, expect it, and honor it. Whether you are a self-help group woman or you a cabinet minister, you get the same award on the same stage. And that is what keeps us going. And as Gurcharan has mentioned, only good work wins. We are really grateful for the support that you do with the exhibition. If you want to see Scotch Awards continue over the years, grow from strength to strength, do spend money in the exhibition to promote your good work and promote the work that we are doing, because it is this money that is helping us do so much of research, documenting your successes and giving them as a policy input. If Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana got a new lease of life, it was our work. If Jan Dhan Yojana got made, it was our good work. If insurance policies became portable, it was our work. So, there are a lot of good things that have come out historically. If NREGA is performing its direct benefit transfer, over my 18 books, you'll find the journey of contemporary India and how at every moment we have championed the cause of people who've come out with innovative ideas and helped them scale. So it's a favor to yourself. You want to do well in life, you want people to know, you want to make a difference. Enlightened self-interest is best that we can deal with. And I'd say God's blessings be added to that. With that,